Okay, for today's lesson, Factoring Completely notes. So this is kind of going to sum up everything we've done this chapter. Step 1 is always to look for the GCF. Step 2, so you will have to determine what kind of polynomial it is and use the appropriate factoring technique. Binomial, that's what we did yesterday. You have two choices. One is the difference of perfect squares. Remember, when you have that type, you're doing two parentheses, one's positive, one's negative, and you're splitting the perfect squares. The second type of binomials is cubed roots, and there were two rules we followed with that. If it's addition, we'll say that's A, that's B, then that's A squared. Opposite sign, so that's a subtraction. These two carry over to here, so AB. Always positive, and it's the second squared. If this one was negative, then it's the same thing, A squared. Opposite sign, what was in here, always positive, and B squared. Those are your binomials. Then we went to trinomials. We had two types. When A equals 1, that's that lead coefficient. And here you do trial or error or guess or check. The second way is when A, that lead coefficient, does not equal 1. For that we do the box method. And some of you are still trying trial and error. Polynomials are probably the easiest. That is the grouping method. And step 3, then look for even more things you can do with it. And I'm going to show you that in just a second.